The Porsche Electric Hypercar represents a bold leap forward, combining the brand's legendary performance with cutting-edge electric technology. This hypercar is the epitome of Porsche's commitment to redefining speed and sustainability in the automotive world. Let's dive into what makes this machine truly exceptional. The design is unmistakably Porsche yet thoroughly futuristic. Every curve and line is sculpted for aerodynamics and speed. The front fascia features sleek LED matrix headlights, while the low slung profile and wide stance ensure maximum stability at high speeds. The rear showcases a seamless light bar with active aerodynamics, including an adaptive spoiler that enhances downforce during aggressive driving. Beneath its aerodynamic body lies an electric powertrain that pushes the boundaries of performance. The hypercar boasts dual or even tri-motor configurations, delivering a staggering 1,200 horsepower. This translates to a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2 seconds flat, making it one of the fastest electric vehicles ever produced. Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and handling, even at the limit. The battery technology is state-of-the-art, offering a range of around 300 miles on a full charge. Thanks to Porsche's 800-volt architecture, ultra-fast charging is a breeze. In under 20 minutes, the battery can be charged from 10% to 80%, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum road time. The interior is a harmonious blend of luxury and high-tech innovation. Minimalistic yet functional, the cabin features sustainable materials like vegan leather and recycled composites. A curved, fully digital driver display is paired with a large central touchscreen, providing all the information and controls needed for an immersive driving experience. Porsche's advanced AI-powered driving aids enhance both safety and convenience. On the road, this hypercar is more than just fast, it's precise. With a low center of gravity and adaptive suspension, it handles corners with incredible agility. The regenerative braking system not only extends range but also enhances control during deceleration. The car's dynamic driving modes allow it to seamlessly switch from a comfortable cruiser to a track-ready beast at the push of a button. Now, for the expected price. Industry insiders suggest the Porsche Electric Hypercar will start at around $1.5 million, placing it firmly in the realm of exclusivity. This is a vehicle for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of performance, innovation, and luxury. The Porsche Electric Hypercar is not just a car, it's a revolution. It bridges the gap between high-octane performance and sustainable technology, proving that the future of hypercars can be both thrilling and environmentally responsible. For those who can afford it, this masterpiece promises an unparalleled driving experience.